How to change your TikTok account to a business account in 2022. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can simply change your TikTok personal account to a business account. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you're gonna do is open up the TikTok application on your mobile. Go into the profile as this similar kind of a screen will pop up. You can go into the profile icon or profile option or page by tapping on the profile icon that is at the top bottom corner of your screen. So once this kind of a page appears up, you're going to go and tap on the settings option that is at the top right corner just beside that eye icon that will consist of or the menu icon have that or is represented by the three line bar option. So once you tap on it, a dialog box appears at the bottom of the screen which tells you two things: creator tools and settings and privacy. You're going to go and tap on the settings and privacy. Once you do that, a new page would pop up which would have series of options and which you're going to go into the manage account. Once you do that, a new page would pop up, and that page you'll go and look for to business account or similar option in the account control. Once you find it, you just have to tap on it. So once you tap on it, this would take eventually some time, and it will tell us that about the business profile or the account. So now after tapping next on it, we'll have a category option through which we can always choose our business profile category. So for example, I would set up my category as a personal blog, and I'll like tap on the next option. So once I do it, it will tell me that my ID or my account has been made business. So this is how I do it. This is how I make my business account using TikTok. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was informative. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time, peace.